Here's a 2006 Honda Odyssey. From a hood to hatch, it offers all the comforts and conveniences you could want. You'll look forward to every drive with features like these: power heated mirrors, front heated leather bucket seats, entertainment system with DVD, AM/FM stereo, 3 12-volt power outlets, dual zone climate control, automatic transmission, power sliding and tilting sunroof, and V6 engine. Car and Driver reports sheet metal now appears shrink-wrapped indeed. Panel gaps have been reduced by up to 1.5 millimeters, giving the Odyssey an athletic stance that's emphasized by a tauter rear end and a sportier front fascia with dual projector beam headlights. Honda's created some of the most admired vehicles on the planet. You need to drive it to believe it. See it for yourself today.